Travel nurses make hundreds of thousands of dollars tax-free from travel nursing in just a couple of years. And no, this isn't tax evasion or tax fraud. It's using the intentional rule created by the tax code to reimburse workers for duplicated living expenses for temporary work assignments. To understand why travel nurses get tax-free money, we need to understand what a tax home is. A tax home for most people is the general area where they earn a majority of their income. Travel nurses temporarily work everywhere, so they don't meet the general rule of a tax home, and therefore their tax home shifts to their permanent residence, or sometimes referred to as tax residence. And when a travel nurse works away from their tax home, their pay is broken down into two portions. One is the hourly wage and the other is the tax-free portion. The tax-free portion is for lodging and meals as a form of reimbursement because they are working away from their home. Travel nurses have to meet 2 out of the 3 criteria to maintain their tax home. 1, you have to have significant income at your tax home. 2, you have to duplicate expenses, so paying rent, sharing expenses, or mortgage at your tax home, and then paying rent wherever you're working. And then 3, you can't abandon the historical area of work and lodging. Now, these are just the fundamental rules of travel nursing. In part 2, we'll dive into some examples of additional rules that you'd also need to follow.